Hello friends, how are you doing? And welcome to our channel. And in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how can we enable the night light mode in Windows 10. And this night light feature is available in Windows 10 and which helps us to reduce our eye strain as we work on our computer for a long period of time. And this will help us for relaxation of our eyes, because this filters the blue light from our computer screen. And to enable this feature, first we have to go to start menu and then settings, and on the system we have display, and here you can see night light settings. Okay, just go there and currently it is disabled now, and to turn it on just click turn on now. Okay, as you click on it you may see that the color of your windows is getting more warmer than before. Okay, it will create a warmer light in your screen, and we have option for its strength. The more I take it to the right, the more warmer the screen will become, and as I take it to the left, we'll get the bluish cool color. The more I take it to the right, I get the more warmer color in my screen. As you may not feel the difference in this video, but you'll certainly feel this as you do this in your computer. Okay, and this is a very nice feature available in Windows 10, which helps to reduce the eye strain. And here we have a shortcut for enabling and disabling the night mode here in the action center at the lower right corner. You can see the night light here. Yeah, it is currently on. As I click on it again, now it is disabled. The night light mode is gone, and again as I click on it, the night light mode is enabled. Okay, and it's in this way we can use the night light feature in Windows 10. And this was for today. I hope you like this video, and please like and share this video, and friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.